slow it down. We're going to slow it down. We're going to do it. We're going to do a Wham number. Oh yeah. We know how much you like Wham. It's called Noise, Noise, Noise. Let's make some. Shout out loud and sing along. And we say, dancing for heroes, heroes. Believe us, it's heroes, heroes, heroes. Like some dancing for heroes, heroes. And down the top of the promised one, I hit the Jewish orphanage song. Turn it up too loud. I have a couple of days before, like you with a drunk and fool. The usual crowd, and we say, dancing for heroes, believe us, you think for heroes, that's what I'm going to for heroes, heroes. Oh yeah. Yeah, the snow, the crystal walk all around, I can't survive without that sound, without that sound. Opinion. Hold on a minute. If the young lady who threw these would like to come backstage afterwards. You'll never know.